Hello students, in this session I will be discussing about revision of function overloading and member function. Okay, so already we know that this chapter is for 5 marks. So you will be getting 1 question from 5 marks back. Okay, so before starting the revision of function overloading and all, so why we need function usually? So function helps to work with a modular approach. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಒಂದು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಓಕೆನಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಈಚ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ then we are going to find a solution for each problem. Okay, after getting a solution for each module, then we are going to integrate all the solution in order to get a solution for the main problem. Okay, so function overloading ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so you can see here, so here we have void function name of parameter. Okay, here there is no parameter, that means here no argument. Okay, so this is regarding function body. Then we have another function void function name of int a, that means we are passing integer as an argument here. So first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, data type na declare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, then we have to specify the function name, then we need to send some parameters or arguments within the braces. Okay, and here we have a function body and another function we have void function name of char ch. So here char is nothing but we need to specify the data type for a particular variable. Okay, so we are passing a character as an argument and this is regarding function body. And here we have a main function. So now functions na el call ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, either before the main function or even after the main function. Okay, so int main function na open ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ int I. So I am declaring two variables, that is int I and char c. Okay, because ಎರಡೇ ನಾವು data type ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು char ಮತ್ತೆ int, so that in order to call this function I need to declare a variable of type integer and character respectively. Okay, so how to call a function name of c, that means we are calling a character function. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ c ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ char. So char ಇರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so this function going to call, so this function name is going to fetch the argument which is associated with character data type. Okay, so in this we are passing a character as an argument. So in this we are passing an integer as an argument. Here we are not passing any argument. Okay, so if there any, this dot indicates if there any other statements. Okay, so this ends the main function. Okay, so this is how the syntax of function. So a program can contain any number of functions within that. Okay, so why we need function overloading mainly? So previous session ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಟಾಪಿಕ್, polymorphism. So what is main use of polymorphism? So when you want to have a one name having many forms, different behavior of an instance of an object depending on the situation. So situation ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, polymorphism. So having one name having many forms. Okay, so you can use the same fruit for juice, or if you want to prepare some salads, like that. A same instance it's going to act differently based on the situation. That is regarding polymorphism. Okay, so here you can see that features of object oriented program in order to develop and simplify the programming methods. So ಯಾವಾಗ program ನ simplify ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, then we are going to get the result very soon. Okay, so here we are with polymorphism, that means one name having many forms and that different behavior of an instance of an object, that is depends on the situation. According to the situation it's going to take its form differently. Okay, So how this polymorphism can be implemented? This can be implemented through function overloading and operator overloading. Okay na? So polymorphism na implement ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Function overloading concept ಮತ್ತೆ operator overloading concept na use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay na? So why this function overloading is necessary? So the function overloading allows the user to create new abstract data types. Okay. So that we'll see what is the need of function overloading. So we'll see the definition first. Function overloading means two or more functions have the same name but differ in number of arguments or data type of the argument. Therefore, it is said to be that function name is overloaded. So function overloading andreno same function name irutte but number of argument ಮತ್ತೆ data type of an argument is different. Okay. So here you can see that. So void function name. So here void is a data type or return type and we have to specify the function name. For example, consider int sum of int a, int sum of float b, float c. Okay. So ಯಾವ್ದು different ಇರಬೇಕು number of arguments. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ that is the type of integer. Here I am sending a parameter character. Okay na? So data type change irbeku matte number of arguments change irbeku. Okay, then we can call that as a function overloading. So what is it? It is the process of defining the same function name to carry out similar types of activities with various data items. So function overloading andreno same function name irutte adre different activities irutte but that is similar. Okay, so what is the need of function overloading then? So when different functions are created for different operations, then user has to call respective function depending on the situation. So one program alli navu ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು functions create ಮಾಡಬಹುದು in order to perform different operations. For example, I may create sum, difference or multiple and division. Okay, so sum is related to summation of any number and difference is related to subtraction of any number, multiplication and division like that. Okay, so function na navu ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ನೇಮ್, ವೆನ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ನೇಮ್ but that's going to differ in the number of arguments. Okay na? So int a comma int b int c, so those are all the number of arguments. One argument idya, ಎರಡು argument idya, that we have to keep it in mind. And data type, so whether it is belong to integer data type, character data type, like that. Okay, so okay, then the compiler automatically decides that about the appropriate function by comparing the argument types used in the call to the function and calls the required function. Thus the code is executed faster. So ಎಷ್ಟೇ functions ಇದ್ರು, ಎಷ್ಟೇ function arguments ಇದ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, associated ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಈಗ I will show you in the example, then you can understand. So mainly why it is necessary, code execution is faster. Okay, so this is very important question. What is function overloading and what is the need of function overloading? That is important for 5 marks question. So mainly what it is, the code execution is faster and it is easy to understand the flow of information and debug. So debug ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ we can solve the bug easily, so that debugging is easy and code maintenance also easy. Okay, then easier interface between the programs and real world object. Then what is the definition and declaration of overloaded function? ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? So you can see here int sum of int a comma int b. So here int is a return type. Okay, sum is a function name and here I am sending two parameters of the data type integer. Okay, so int is a return type, sum is a function name, I am sending two parameters here. So the number of arguments are 2 and data type of that arguments is integer here. Okay, so float sum of float p comma float q. So ಏನು ಇವಾಗ ಮೇನ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಓವರ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೇಮ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ sum and sum. Okay, and data type and number of argument must be differ, so that you can see here int we have integer data type ಇದೆ, float ಇದೆ, number of arguments ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಎರಡಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಎರಡಿದೆ. Number of arguments and type of the arguments must be differ. Okay, so ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು float a float b ಅಂತ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, because already we have two number of floating point arguments. Okay, so what are the disadvantages of this overloaded function? Each function in a set of overloaded function must have the different list, argument list. So function overloading use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಎಲ್ಲ functions ಅಲ್ಲೂ different argument list ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ, so that you can see here. So int product, so your product is the overloaded function. So function name ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ product ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ. So number of arguments ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3, int p, int q and int r. 3 arguments ಇದೆ. Data type ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, integer. Okay, here we have another function float product, float x comma float y, float z. So ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಏನು number of arguments 3 ಇದೆ, but data type is different, that is float. Okay, so here also we have okay, so this is declaration. Okay, so these two lines are declaration and this is definition of that first line. Okay, so yavaga return type, function name and list of arguments which is ended with semicolon, that is regarding function declaration. Okay, so yavaga function body irutte, so you can see that some set of statements are here within that function, then that is function definition. Okay, so function declaration is different and function definition is different. Okay, so you can expect this 5 marks question, that means explain the need of function overloading or discuss the overloaded function with syntax and example. Okay, so syntax ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, so first you have to take the return type and then function name and you have to specify the number of arguments and data type. Okay, and what was the another disadvantage? If type is used for naming function, then the function is not considered as different type. So function overload ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ ಡೆಫ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, then that will be not considered as a different function. Okay, so these two are the restriction. So we'll see a program now how to call the overloaded function. So function ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. Okay, so here we have a program to compute the volume of cone, cube, cylinder using overloaded function. So ಈ program ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. If they are asking for what is function overloading explained with syntax and example, then you have to write this program. Okay, so that ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ function overloading ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 main concept important. ಯಾವುದಂದ್ರೆ what is function overloading and what is the need of function overloading, and what is inline function explained with syntax and example, what is friend function explained with syntax and example. Okay, so these 3 are the important questions from 5 marks. So now we'll see this program. So here program is to compute the volume of cone, cube and cylinder using overloaded function. So main criteria in overload function andre function name same ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ, so 2 header files ಇದೆ, iostream.h, conio.h. so here we have a class name, class function overload, fun overload. Then here we are using a function called volume. So int is a return type, volume is a function name, overloaded function name. So here I am sending a parameter int a. Okay, flower base is open in the sense I am defining a function. Okay, written a into a into a. So cube ಹೆಂಗೆ volume of cube ಹೆಂಗೆ define ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ a into a. So mainly function is used to perform some operation and that must send a single output. Okay, so you can see here function is process defining the same function name to carry out the similar type of activities with various data type, and we are going to get the single output, or it must return some value back to the main function. Okay, so same like that, double volume of double r comma double h. So cone ಹೆಂಗೆ volume find ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 0.33 that into 3.14 into r into h. Okay, so what is the volume of cylinder? Pi into r square into h, so that 3.14 into r into h. So volume of cuboid ಹೆಂಗೆ find ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ L into b into h. Okay, so ivaga you can see that. So function overloading ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸೇಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 2. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಬಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಫರ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯರ್ ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? ಡಬಲ್ಗೆ. So that you have to take double with the return type. So you cannot take int volume here. So int volume ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Double is not compatible with int. Okay na? So that you have to take the higher prioritized data type. Okay, so and another function we have double volume of double L comma double b comma double h. So 3 arguments ಇದೆ, data type change ಇದೆ. Okay na? So then it's going to return L into b into h. So here we have done with the class and we have main function overload f1. So I am declaring an object called f1. So in order to find the volume of cube, I need to call a function called f1 dot volume of 10. So 10 andre yavdu? Integer. So first volume ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲಿ integer data type ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Then it's going to call the volume of cube. Okay, then volume of cone f1 dot volume of. So cone ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ? So you can see here double r comma double h. ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ನ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ ವಾಟ್? double. That must be include some floating point, so that 2.0 comma 3.0. okay, then volume of cylinder. So idರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ಅಥವಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ? ಎರಡು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ, ಡಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ ಹೆಚ್. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಸೊ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಒಂದು ಡಬಲ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ 2.0. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ 2.0 is nothing but double r value comma 3 is nothing but this int. ಓಕೆನಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕ್ಯೂಬಾಯ್ಡ್ಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಎಲ್ ಕಮ ಬಿ ಕಮ ಹೆಚ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ f1 ಡಾಟ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ 5.0 ಕಮ 6.0 ಕಮ 7.0. ಓಕೆ, 3 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಡಬಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟ್ ಮೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಂಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ get ch. So we'll see a program. So I am creating a class function overload, then public access specifier is public, so int volume. So function name ಅಥವಾ member function overload ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ function name ಏನು? volume. Okay, so int a. So volume of cone ಹೆಂಗ್ find ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Return A into A into A. So already declare ಆಗಿದೆ int A ಅಂತ. So that no need to declare again. A into A into A. Then closing of the function volume. So this is related to volume of cone. Volume of cube. Sorry. Volume of cube. So cube ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? A into A into A. So I am going to define another function in volume of. So data type double R comma double H. Okay. So first formulas ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Volume of cube ಹೆಂಗ್ find ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, volume of cone ಹೆಂಗ್ find ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. Okay. So here I am returning. So better you take A into A into A. Okay. Then how to find the volume of cone return of 0.33 into 3.14 into R into H. Okay. So that type return of 0.33 into 3.14 into R into H. So then closing of the function. So this is related to what? Volume of cone. Volume of cone. Okay. Then closing of the function called volume, and then we have another function in volume of double R comma in H. So this is related to volume of cylinder. Okay. Volume of cylinder. Return of pi into, that is 3.14 into R into H. Then close the braces, semicolon, then close the main function. Sorry, that volume function. So this is related to volume of cylinder. So here we have another function in volume of double L comma double D comma double H. So this is related to volume of cuboid. Okay. So return L into B into H. Close the function volume. So this is related to volume of cuboid. Okay. Then close the class called function overload. Then create a main function int main. So I need to create an object for the class called function overload, and the object name is f1, so that cout. So cube, volume of cube first equals, so where it is stored, f1 dot volume of. So function name na specify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ f1 dot volume of. So volume of cube ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ integer, so that I need to specify a value of int, so that I am going to take 10. Okay, semicolon, then cout volume of. So second one ಏನು specify ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ cone. So volume of cone equals, so where it is stored, it's stored in f1 dot volume with the arguments. So ಏನು arguments send ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಎರಡು argument ಇದೆ, double r, h. So r ಗೊಂದು value specify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, h ಗೊಂದು value specify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಯಾವ data type ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅದು double, so that 3.0, 2.5. So you can give any value. Okay, so there is no restriction. Cout, then volume of cone ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ cylinder. So volume of cylinder equals, so where it is stored, f1 dot volume of. So data type ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ, ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಡಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫ್ಲೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ 6.5, 3 as a integer. Okay, then volume of cuboid. So where it is stored, it's stored in f1 dot volume of. So I missed out double quotes, so that f1 dot volume of. So cuboid ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಡೇಟಾ ಟೈಪ್ double l, b, h. So I need to specify 3 values, so that I am going to take 5.3, 6.2, 3.8. So you can take any value. So I am done with all the functions. So I need to specify return 0 because I have used int main. Okay, so return 0 semicolon and closing of the main function. Okay, so now I am going to compile the program. So I have error 1. So undefined symbol. Okay, fine. So here I have not specified r, so that double r. Okay, so 0 errors, and then I am going to run the program. Okay, we'll have get ch, alt F9, then unreachable code, return a value. Okay, return 0. So return is a keyword. So alt F9, 0 errors and 0 warning, control F9. Okay, wait, I'm going to use clear screen here. So no need to specify the values here, directly it's going to compute and display the value. Okay, so alt F9, then control F9. So volume of cube is 1000 and volume of cone is 23, volume of cylinder is 397 and volume of cuboid is 124. Why it is displaying in a single line? Because here I haven't used end line. Okay, so if I am using end line with all the line, then it's going to display in particular line. Enter. You can see here volume of cube is 1000 and volume of cone is 23 and volume of cylinder is 397 and volume of cuboid is 124. So it's all about what is function and what is overloaded function with the syntax, and what is the need and restriction of the overloaded function. Okay. So we'll see what is friend function and inline function in the next session. Thank you.